Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while installing the Rjujinx right onto the Steamdeck. You got an error, Rjujinx installation failed. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, you need to launch the Steamdeck onto the desktop mode. After launching onto a desktop mode, you will find an icon of the Discover Store, which is available right in the left bottom corner. A small blue icon. Go ahead and you need to launch the store. Once store is launched, it will look like this. Right in the search box, you need to search for the Ryujinx. After finding the application, go ahead and install it. Once the application is installed, you need to open a path to find a folder with the name bin. Yes, bin is the folder name that you need to find, and this bin folder is available either at this particular path. If it is not available right over here, you need to check this particular second path. After finding this path, you need to copy the bin folder present right over here. After copying the bin folder, again go to the home, then deck, and then applications. You need to paste this bin folder right over here into the applications. And after pasting the bin folder right over here, you need to give it a name, publish. This is the name you should give to this particular bin folder. After giving this name, you can uninstall the Rjujinx that you have installed right from the Discover Store. After that, open your Deck and you can check the Rjujinx emulator will be available right as installed. Now go ahead and simply reset its configuration and you are done. The issue of Rjujinx installation failed will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.